iOS 26 just dropped, and some of its new features might change the way you use your iPhone every single day. But are they really worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. The coolest feature is the Naked Eye 3D effect wallpaper. Just tap the spatial scene icon to create a Naked Eye 3D effect on your lock screen photos. Any photo in your album can be transformed into a 3D space, making it more vivid. The time display can be adjusted at will, and the widgets can be moved to any position. You'll notice the liquid glass UI elements everywhere. While they don't make the phone any better or worse, they just look damn cool. The entire design has undergone a dramatic overhaul, with liquid glass elements making all icons transparent, perfectly reflecting the background color. You can also customize the desktop theme color, which makes your iPhone much more fun. The camera main interface now only has two buttons, camera and video. By swiping left or right, other modes will appear. It also uses liquid glass UI design. iOS 26 has reverted to the familiar partitioning system for photo albums. The left-hand gallery shows all your photos, while the right-hand collection combines recommendations with albums, making the overall layout more concise and clear. If your battery usage is higher than usual on a given day, your iPhone will intelligently adjust performance to extend battery life. While charging, you can see the time required to fully charge in the settings. iOS 26 also provides a powerful translation function. Turn on the real-time translation of text messages and you will notice that this small translation will appear above your message. FaceTime can also be translated in real time, and the translated content will appear at the top of the screen. For AirPods real-time translation, you need to press and hold both AirPods at the same time. When an unknown number calls, the Smart Assistant will engage in a conversation, identify the caller's intent, and record the call. If you're on a call with a live customer service representative, you can turn on the call on hold and exit the call interface. When the customer service representative answers, you'll receive an additional notification. The lock screen can now display full-screen dynamic music cover. It is very delicate when paired with the transparent UI of liquid glass. Automatic translation of lyrics has also been added. The alarm button is now super huge, much easier to press than the previous small button. You can also customize the snooze time. I'd love to know, which iOS 26 feature do you think is the most exciting or the most overrated? Let me know below. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell so you don't miss my iPhone 17 and iOS 26 series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.